We're back to drawing everything in off the head. Is going to be wet. We'll see plenty of rain at times. It's also going to be very windy with the winds coming in from the west, temperatures slightly above average, so it should feel fairly mild. Today we've got a blanket of cloud. The United Kingdom is underneath this weather system here. It stretches its way down through western Scotland and also in towards southeast England. That's what's been bringing the cloud and also the rain through this morning. We'll take a look at what we can expect this afternoon, and it does look like we'll continue to see some welcome rain for southeast England and also East Anglia. Perhaps the rain turning a little bit patchier and lighter for northern counties of England, but still we've got that blanket of cloud. Now the cloud and a few spots of rain migrating in towards eastern Scotland as well through the afternoon, turning slowly dry for western Scotland, and also the afternoon hours should be mostly dry for Northern Ireland. In fact, we may just see perhaps one or two holes in the cloud here, giving a little bit of brightness. However, we'll continue to see plenty of wet weather across the corner of northwest Wales. To the south again, round Cardiff, maybe one or two brighter spells, and also for Devon and also Cornwall. With those southwesterly winds, you'll notice the temperatures, we're looking at highs of 10 degrees for both Cardiff and also in Plymouth. Now this evening, the rain tends to peter out. It does clear out in towards the North Sea. We keep quite a lot of cloud as we go through the evening hours and the first part of the night. And then another weather front moves into the west, bringing with it some rain through Northern Ireland and also western Scotland. So temperatures for most places will be at around 6 to 8 degrees Celsius. Now we've got that weather front then moving in towards the west on Monday. You can see again, a bit like today, it's going to make slow progress eastwards across the rest of the United Kingdom. Perhaps ahead of it for a time, say through the Midlands and parts of East Anglia, we might just start to see perhaps one or two brighter spells developing. But eventually the cloud increases as our rain swings down towards the southeast corner. Behind it, for western Scotland and Northern Ireland, through the afternoon here, it turns dry, perhaps with a little bit of brightness. Our temperatures on a par today at around 9 to 11 degrees. Now that weather front moves out of the way quite quickly, and then overnight we're looking at a more significant amount of rain falling, a more active weather system sweeping across the whole of the United Kingdom. So by the time we get towards Tuesday, perhaps a little bit of rain first thing for eastern counties of England and also for Scotland. But then we get in towards some brighter weather with some showers. Now most of the showers will be concentrated for western areas where they could be fairly heavy. There will be fewer and further between, but on quite a strong wind they will get to more eastern areas, and it's a similar story as we go in towards Wednesday. It looks like the bulk of the rain falling overnight as this system quite quickly moves across the United Kingdom, and then we get this air of low pressure sitting to the north of us, and that will dominate our weather towards the end of the week, rattling in plenty of showers on this strong westerly wind with gale force winds forecast on Wednesday. With those strong winds again, they will get blown across from time to eastern areas, but here the best of any brightness. Further out towards the west we'll always get some fairly frequent and also some heavy showers, temperatures still into double figures. Now that area of low pressure is still with us on Thursday, so as we would expect, the weather not changing too much. With plenty of showers in the west, we've got fewer to the east. Perhaps a risk of some more persistent rain moving into the northwest as we go in towards Friday, but still fairly mild. Back to Countryfile.